How to fix invite collaborators not showing on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. So right here what you need to know is that in order to invite collaborators on Instagram, you need to have your business account rather than your personal account. So in order to have the business account, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of account types and tools. Tap on it. And then click on switch to professional account. Tap on continue. Select the category that describes you. Choose business and tap on next. Well, for now you can tap on skip. You need to complete all of these steps, but you can also complete it later, so tap on this cross icon at the top left corner. Well, once you are on your business account, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select the picture that you want to post and invite collaborators. Let me select this picture. Once you have selected, tap on next at the top right corner. Once again tap on next. Now what you want to do is tap on tag people. The option of invite collaborators will be visible to you. Click on it. Well, in this source bar, you can search for the collaborators that you want to invite. Let me search for one of it. Just select their profile. And there you can see that you have invited this person as a collaborators. Now tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now simply tap on share and your post will be uploaded successfully. And you'll be good to go. That's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix invite collaborators not showing on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.